Hey everyone, today we'll be checking out my new fence post repair kit. Let's open it up and get these installed. The 33.62-inch thickened steel frame post repair kit is crafted with heavy-duty S275J2 material. It's increased its thickness to 11 gauge, increased its weight to 5.47 pounds, and that's just for one piece. Here is everything you will get in the set: 2 fence posts, you'll get 2 drill bits, and the needed screws. You can effortlessly install your fence post anchor kit with a design that takes into account less experienced people just like me. So here is my current fence. It leans more, I feel like, every day, so we really need to get this on. There is a sharp tip that allows for easy grounding, so you won't have to worry about extensive digging. And with just a few basic tools and some simple hardware, you can enhance the stability and security of your posts, decks, flagpoles, and ensure a long-lasting hold with a dash of refined simplicity. We're simply going to hammer this in the ground and then screw it to the leaning board. The Smart H-Stakes extender design delivers exceptional support, keeping your garden structures perfectly aligned even during gusty, windy days. The system not only provides a stable backing for those leaning or weather-worn pieces, but also boasts an ensemble of hopeful tools, such as a brace stabilizer and extender protector. Overall, this was very easy to assemble. The only help I needed was someone to lean the post back in the correct direction so I could get this anchored in the ground at the proper angle. Let's check out the end result.